what we mean by an enterprise approach is that multi-agent orchestrator, where you can deploy multiple agents to perform different functions. So one of the key things that I said was data, knowledge, and that's the foundation for leveraging AI in IT operations, right? So strengthening and building those foundation elements is extremely important, because that's the knowledge that your system is going to use to either help you troubleshoot, when you're running operations in IT, or even, if you're looking to make improvements to your environment, because today generative AI platforms are actually evolving into capabilities that can actually help you in transforming your environment as well. And then obviously from an IT perspective, supporting end users, you have just chat virtual agents. We've been using chat for many years, but now they're actually enhanced with generative capabilities. So whether it's chat or whether you use voice Gen AI agents to interact with your employees for them to get their IT services, or even leverage technology or what we call as agents that help people who are supporting you. So, in Cognizant, we have a solution which actually, where the Gen AI agent joins a user call. When a user calls the service desk, the Gen AI agent joins the call and supports the service desk agent who's performing or supporting that user, right? And similarly, even on core technology operations, right? It's technology, it breaks, right? So when things break, how fast can you triage an incident? How fast can you diagnose it? And then how fast can you take remedial action? So while this is all very reactionary, the platform is actually evolving into a state where it's starting to be more proactive, be predictive as well, and provide recommendations on not only saying how can you avoid certain issues in the future, but also what technological and architectural changes that you can make to your current environment or the stack that you have, and potentially avoid these things from happening in the future.